How to screenshot a snap on Snapchat without notification. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from AppGuard, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually screenshot a particular snap on the Snapchat app without notifying the sender that you've actually taken a screenshot. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So there is still a way on how you can actually screenshot a snap on Snapchat without notifying. First of all, what you have to do is simply make sure to actually update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Snapchat, I'm going to simply open my Snapchat app, and from the bottom left hand side of the screen, I will simply tap on this chat icon to go to our chat screen page. And you can see right over here at the top, I've actually received a handful and a number of snaps. Now, before actually viewing this snap just like this, what you have to do is simply swipe down a quick panel settings. Once you swipe down a quick settings, what you have to do is actually turn off your Wi-Fi. So I'm going to basically go ahead and turn off my Wi-Fi. After you turn off your internet connection, the next thing you want to do is also make sure to actually turn on airplane mode or flight mode on your device. So if you don't find these settings on your quick panel settings, you can also head over to your settings app and do these steps manually. After we've actually turned off internet connection and actually also turned on airplane mode, what I'm going to do is simply go ahead and open the particular snap which I want to screenshot, and after opening it, I will simply take a screenshot right over here. Once you've actually taken a screenshot, I'm going to come back. However, you don't want to actually turn on your Wi-Fi just yet. What you have to do is from the top left hand side of the screen, you have to first of all tap on your Bitmoji character. Once you tap on your Bitmoji profile, on the top right hand side, again you have to simply tap on this gear icon, which is the settings icon. So tap on the settings icon right over here. Once you go to the settings page, you have options to actually customize your name, username, and many other options. But here what we want to do is simply look for the option called clear cache or free up storage. So right under the account actions tab, you'll be able to see this option called clear cache. So what you have to do is simply tap on the clear cache button, and it is going to actually ask you to confirm it. You have to simply tap on the continue button. Once you've actually taken a screenshot and clear the cache, again what we want to do is the final step. We want to actually log out of the Snapchat app. As you can see, we will exit and completely close the Snapchat app from the background as well. Now we can go ahead and actually disable our airplane mode as well as also turn on our internet connection. Once you've actually done all of the steps completely, you can open Snapchat and you'll be able to see that you have not actually notified the sender that you've actually taken a screenshot of the snap. And this is how you can screenshot a snap on Snapchat without notification. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.